Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. This week, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be having Thanksgiving meatloaf. That's what I'm going to call it anyway. They had some ground turkey on sale. Usually we're not a consumer of ground turkey. It was on sale. I was thinking, let's make a meatloaf with turkey. So what we got 2 boxes of stuffing mix. We just got the store brand. I went ahead, they're already diced up quick and easy. 2 cans of diced potatoes. And we got 2 jars of turkey gravy. We're going to be using a little bit of, probably about a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, and then we're going to be putting in a half a cup of milk. We'll mix this all up in one pan that we're going to be using. Throw it in the oven for 350. Probably a little over an hour, I'd say. We'll let you know definitely on the time. Let's get started. Alrighty, folks. We're going to be making this as we go. I've got my half a cup Parmesan cheese here. Put this in here. Let's go ahead and add our eggs. Let's go ahead and put in one of our bags of, and this is where I'm going to be making my mind up. Don't know if we'll be using both bags of the stuffing mix yet or not. When we get done, we'll have the recipe down in the description, and we'll be honest if this is good or not, folks. Pour in our half a cup of milk. Now, let me go ahead. We drain the taters. Oh, we lost 3 taters. Like I said, we're just mixing this all up in the one thing. That way we only got one dish to clean up. Doug keeps losing taters over here. I think we can just go with the 1 box of stuffing mix. Let me get my taters. The counter's clean, folks. Tell you what, Shug, go ahead. Open that other box up. Anytime, Shug. Go right ahead, pull it apart. Oh, he's having difficulty. Okay. Let's pour it on there. We'll get it mixed in. Like I say, folks, have fun cooking. Experiment. Everything we got today was on sale. May just have a mashed up mix here. It may come together good. May be awful. We put all good things into it, so. We've got the oven preheated at 350 degrees. May have done told you that. As you can tell, I still sound a little bit sick. I don't know, we just can't get over it. Can't seem to shake it. I don't know, folks. Let me go clean my hands up. And what I'll probably do, we'll let it cook about halfway through before we add the gravy. I'm going to take the gravy and pour it over top. And then, like I said, folks, we'll be honest. We'll let you know how it is. Alright, I'm going to place it in the oven. We'll see you here in just a little bit. Alrighty folks, we've let it cook for 30 minutes. Now we're going to pour our gravy over top of it here. Just let it run down the sides. Now we've got another thing of gravy. We'll have that to heat up when we go to eat this. Alrighty, back into the oven for at least 30 more minutes. We'll tell you here shortly how long it took ours. Alrighty folks. Now this here took an hour and 45 minutes. Actually closer to 2 hours. I think what it was where I had it up so high in the center here, the outsides, it was done a little while ago, but it's good and done now. We're going to get some cut off and we'll let Carolyn and Dan try it. Hopefully it's good. Alrighty folks, Carolyn and Dan's going to get ready and try it here. Let's see if it's good. Be honest folks. Careful, it's probably hot.
That's pretty good.
Delicious. Real good.
You be honest. We need
delicious.
to know.
It is good.
Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Y'all stay safe. Thank yous again for watching.